How to delete game plan list on eFootball 2024. Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I will guide you on how to delete your game plan list on eFootball 2024. So to get started, first of all, open up eFootball application and then you will be appear with this type of screen interface. Now in order to delete your game plan, what you're gonna do is simply tap on game plan. You'll be up here with your game plan section. Now what you're gonna do is click on your logo and then go ahead and click on game plan list. Now select the game plan you want to delete. So what you're gonna do is click on that three dots, go ahead and select delete game plan and confirm it. Doing so will successfully help you delete your game plan list on eFootball 2024. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.